lot of this. Look, look, look. I get. Hey guys, see them. You cannot see them, but I have. $13. So we're gonna eat one. Let's see if it's yummy or not. Mm-mm. 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 Mm. Yummy, bro. That is from yummy. And I have watermelon seeds. Want to see my watermelons? Here. Watermelon. Ta-da. Oh, nah. 10/10. I mean 10 out of 10. Guys, I'm sorry. I said 1, but I will eat. I will eat 10 of the ice cream. Okay, yeah. I said I'll just eat one, but 10 is it? I mean, not 10. Just 2. I promise 2. Mm. I will put this melon. Let's go. I'm putting it. Look at this. If I do this, I will name it ice cream triple watermelon. Tastes better. Watermelon first. We're gonna see who's better, watermelon or that. The better one is, let me try. is it. It's ice cream double. Okay, I'm sorry. I like this. Okay, I will not finish this one. This is the last one. But I will go and I will get more. Okay, I like smelling it. Okay, but I like the taste. Obviously, I like the cone. Obviously, I like the flavor. Yeah. So crunchy. Even like a little bit, you still hear the sound of. But if the watermelon, no, no, no. We cannot see the. We cannot say a little bit. That's one sound. If I bite it, this. If I'm taking it off here, that's the sound. But if I'm not, if it's in my mouth, though. But if it's a big bite, of course, yeah. I like this, alright? I like this. You know why I like this? Wait, if you taste this, make our channel. I will comment. First, let it eat with no with the sugar. Oh, mm. Okay, I'm yeah, I'm not the. I did not eat. If I think that's a joke, I did not eat. I ate. I did not eat. Okay. Yeah, just nothing inside. If I finish this in 2 seconds, you have to subscribe. One. I said 2 seconds, okay? One, two. I finished. Like and subscribe. Oh, let me sleep. Oh, okay. First, let me clean all of these ice creams. No, it's not that much anymore. I like mustard than this. You know what? I love ice cream. Like, I love my subscribers as a fan. Bro, if one of you is my friend in Roblox, I know what your reaction is. You are, oh bro, flying at me. If I'm wrong, leave a dislike. But I will eat this. Oh, what time is it?